Peppermint was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. The benefits of this nutrient, which enters our kitchens by taking all the beneficial components of the soil it is in, do not end with counting the benefits to our body, and a new benefit is discovered every day. Peppermint, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed at the right time and amount, is good for almost all physiological problems. What are the benefits and harms of mint consumption? How, when and how much should be consumed? Who should be very careful while consuming? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular mint consumption? Mint is a very good source of fiber, which helps digest food. Thanks to its high fiber content, it provides the nutrition of beneficial bacteria that are important for our intestines. Thanks to a plant compound found in its stem, it helps to kill the substance called Helicobacter pylori, which is one of the main causes of stomach acid problems such as gastritis. It protects the inner wall of the stomach and prevents acid imbalances. Also, homocysteine is an amino acid measured in the blood. When this substance is high in the blood, it threatens the blood vessels and paves the way for heart diseases. The vitamins in mint neutralize the excess homocysteine and protect the vascular tissue. The antioxidants in its content help reduce plaque formation in the vessels. On the other hand, consuming mint regularly is one of the easiest ways to get high amounts of preservatives and antioxidants into our body. These compounds relieve cough in the throat with their anti-inflammatory effect, relieves lung functions. Due to its fiber content, vitamin C helps prevent water loss during periods of high fever. In addition, parsley is very rich in minerals that have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood. The blood sugar lowering effect of this food comes from the plant compound phenolic acid, particularly in people with blood sugar imbalance. Glucose particles that occur after meals form inappropriate bonds to protein substances, rendering them unusable. This process is called glycation in the health world. Thanks to the ingredients in mint, the risk of glycation formation is reduced. On the other hand, mint, which is very important for bone tissue with the calcium it contains, helps calcium to be absorbed much more easily in the intestinal system with its magnesium and potassium. Same time, peppermint enhances the skin effect. These abilities come especially from its positive effects on the liver. A healthy liver removes toxins from the body, with the benefits it provides to the skin tissue. Mint removes skin dryness and moisturizes the skin. So what are the harms of regular mint consumption? Who should be very careful while consuming? How much and when should it be consumed? First of all, mint can cause digestive problems when consumed in excess, thanks to the fibers it contains. The consumption amount of recipes prepared with mint juice is very important. In addition, peppermint extract is among the substances that the health world currently uses. Therefore, it can interact with some medications. If you have medications that you need to use constantly, consult your doctor before adding mint to your diet. So how much mint should be consumed? It is very important to consume mint at regular intervals. In the light of this information, you can add mint to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, be informed.